I'm Julie from the lifestyle website julieglanner.com, where I share easy ideas for entertaining, recipes, home decor, and so much more. Today I'm going to take you on a trip with me to Trader Joe's to pick out some flowers. I'm going to show you what to look for, what some of my seasonal favorites are. Right now it's spring, and how to care for them as well. You'll actually notice that I'm soaking some hydrangea to kind of revive them and bring them back to life as we speak. And I'll link to that video below. One thing you can always count on Trader Joe's for having is a variety of roses. They usually come in quite a few shades of different colors and sizes, about 12 stems or a dozen for $4.99 or $5.99 depending on the season. Another staple that they always have are hydrangea. Hydrangeas tend to be about 3 stems for $5.99 in our area in the Midwest, but something similar in your area as well. They often have them in white and sometimes have them in blue. At Trader Joe's you'll also find a lot of seasonal flowers like tulips and these pretty cotton stems. Of course you'll see things like Hydrangea and other seasonal favorites again like cherry blossoms, daisies, mums. You just never know what you're going to find there. That's why I like a few go-tos. I'm really loving these wax flower right now. Of course, I absolutely love fillers. I know you've seen me use a lot of seeded eucalyptus, but I also love these hydrangea berries. They're really pretty and come in a variety of different colors depending on the season, and they're really great for integrating into just about any floral arrangement. Now, something else you shouldn't underestimate when shopping for flowers are plants. Plants often allow a lot of nice greenery that can kind of trail out of your arrangement. Or you can also deconstruct a pre-made arrangement. Trader Joe's usually has a variety of both petite arrangements and large arrangements. I really love looking to the petite arrangements for unique flowers that you don't typically find, like ornamental kale or stock. They can really add a lot of interest to your arrangements. One of my favorite spring finds at Trader Joe's are Ranunculus. They're just so pretty, and again, they add so much interest, and they're very inexpensive at about $4.99 a bunch. You can often find things like freesia and hyacinth as well. Those add a lot of fragrance to your beautiful bouquet. To learn how to arrange flowers, you can see several of my flower arrangements here, including how to arrange tulips, how to arrange hydrangea, and how to arrange roses. For more quick tips and tricks and easy entertaining ideas, recipes, home decor, and so much more, don't forget to click subscribe. I'll link everything I mentioned below in the description. Thanks so much for following along.